Hi guys, how you doing? So this video is a little bit different. I'm not talking about my cars, but I'm showing you some short video clips, and most of it are photos that I took while I was traveling in 2003 and in the following years. I think the newest pictures are from 2006, but most of them are from 2003. And you know, right after September 11, a lot changed in the world, and a lot changed in the United States. So traveling around was a lot different. Air traveling changed, you know, there was more surveillance for the people. Country also got safer, and there was a lot of patriotism out as well in the years after September 11. At least you saw the patriotism more than you see it now. I mean, you saw more flags and magnets with support our troops on the vehicles. And as you all car guys, I post these pictures so that you see the cars in the normal life back then and traffic, and see what it was like 20 years ago, you know, roughly 20 years ago. Like these police cars there, I mean, amazing, those Impalas as police cruisers back then, you know, you barely see them anymore. The taxi you just see right now. That's just crazy how life changed. And I know that taxi was older than '03, but still a lot of older vehicles were still out on the road back then, and a lot of those you don't see them anymore. So a lot changed, a lot is the same. Of course, this country has changed over the years. I'm not saying it changed to the worse or the better. That's different topic, a different discussion. We're not going to get into that. So just enjoy the pictures, enjoy the vehicles, and if you have any comments about the topic or about a vehicle you see, please let me know. Please comment. And also, we'll get back to the other type of videos, of course, that you all love. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that now, and come back for more videos. Make sure you check out my old videos. I have plenty of them out there on the channel. So enjoy this video, enjoy the photos, and I wish you a wonderful day.